Hey guys, me Nathan. Welcome back to Zombie Dogs Part 2. I'm sorry, but I forgot to add the part to the first one, so I'm going to add the part 2 to this one. Okay, we're in. We got all our stuff. I added more pillows because I'm going to know if I can sleep in here tonight. Okay, no zombie dog there. Checking in here. My evil sister is Jaeger in here.
No, Jackson wanted in, then he left.
Jackson's in here.
He just
Sorry guys, I'm getting the light so you guys can see me. It's pretty dark in here. Rachel's right there. When you look behind me, it's like, ooh, it's so spooky. It's actually not, because it's still pretty dark. Like seriously. That's my sister. Rach, come here.
Do you want me to bring Stella to the camera?
Yes. But come here, quick.
I don't have any makeup on.
Look at the screen. It's pitch black, right? And look how light it is. I'm gonna ask Mom if I can sleep in there tonight. The bathroom. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna get my cat Stella. You can barely see me. Oh, okay, we're going back into the light because we have Stella, my cat.
Hurry up, she's taking her foot.
Yeah.
Okay, check.
Okay, where's the evil dog? Guys, evil dog must be around. Evil dog. He's not here.
Here's Jack. Hey, Jack.
Jackson. Oh, you guys saw him a little bit. You might have saw him a little bit. Okay, zombie dogs. Ugh, it's so hard to get back into the base. I am going into the hub. I'm going to the hub, guys. Make sure the evil dog doesn't see.
The evil dog is outside.
Okay, don't worry. He's outside taking a bath.
Okay,
Jackson, he loves drinking out of the tap. Come here, Jack. Come
you
here.
have to turn the tap on and then he'll come.
There you go. Look at him drink.
Your mom's coming.
Look at him drink. Look at him drink. Sorry, drink.
It's okay.
See that drink? You had a beautiful drink. Once more. Once more. Once more.
No. Don't you chase the cats.
Okay, I'm hungry.
I'm not. There's the evil dog. We better get back to the base.